How to use Claude Code for SEO to rank number one. Now, SEO in 2026 is not what it was 3 years ago. The tactics that use to go ahead and produce different types of reliable ranking improvements, keyword stuffing, link schemes, and a whole lot more of content at scale have been progressively neutralized by algorithm updates. Now, what works now is what always worked in theory, but was too labor intensive to do at a scale. Genuinely useful content that answers what people are actually searching for. Technically sound sites that load much faster and are easy to crawl. And a content strategy that is, fully informed and performed by guesswork. Now, Claude Code is one of the most useful tools for doing this more efficiently than was possible before. And most people using it for content creation are barely scratching the surface of what it can do for technical SEO, content strategy, and ranking analysis. Now, this video covers the complete workflow. The reason to use Claude Code rather than Claude's chat interface for SEO work is the ability to work with real files, run scripts, and process data at scale. SEO work involves a lot of data, site crawl, outputs, keyword lists, competitor analysis, content audits, and processing that data effectively requires the ability to read files, write analysis scripts, and produce structured outputs that integrate with your existing tools. Now, Claude Code can read your CSV exports from different things like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or even Google Search Consoles. You can write Python scripts that process and analyze the data, generate optimized content outline based on that analysis, and audit your existing content against keyword targets. And you can do that all within a single workflow. Now, that combination of capabilities is what makes it more powerful than a chat interface for this use case. So, first and foremost, you are going to go ahead and start by running a site crawl using Screaming Frog. Okay, so you can go over to Screaming Frog, and over here you can run the site crawl. Now, the free version of Screaming Frog is pretty much going to handle up to 500 URLs and is sufficient for most small to mid-sized sites. All right. Export the crawl data as a CSV, navigate to your project directory in your terminal, and launch the code. So you can simply download this and work along with it. Now, what you're going to do is you're simply going to give Claude Code the crawl export file and the specific audit task. Now, a prompt that works well would be you could go ahead and write prompt like analyze this Screaming Frog crawl export and identify the top 10 technical SEO issues affecting this site, prioritize by estimated impact on rankings for each issue. Let's go ahead with explain what it is, why it matters, and provide a specific fix recommendation. And finally, output as a structured report. Now, this is a proper full-fledged decent prompt that we're going to be giving to the people at Claude Code. Now, Claude Code reads the crawl data. It analyzes the columns for missing metadata descriptions and duplicate titles, broken internal links, redirect chains, slow page indicators, and missing canonical tags. And after all of that, it produces a prioritized report. What would take a skilled SEO analyst several hours to produce manually takes Claude Code a few minutes. So export your key ranking data from Google Search Console, the performance report, filter through the last 3 months exported at CSV. Also, export any competitive or competitor keyword data from Ahrefs or SEMrush if you have the access. Now, in Claude Code, you're going to load both of those files and run a content gap analysis. And once you upload those two files, you can write compare my current ranking keywords against my competitors' keywords, identify the topics where my competitor is ranking in positions 1 to 10, but I have no content. Rank these gaps by traffic potential and suggest content types. And you can write the types like blog posts, comparison page, how to guide that would most likely rank for each gap topic. So writing prompts like this is going to lead you to your generations, okay? The output is a prioritized list of content opportunities grounded in real competitive data. Now, this is the kind of analysis that typically requires an experienced SEO strategist. Claude Code does it systematically and at a scale that manual analysis cannot match. Now, with your target keywords identified, use Claude Code to generate content that genuinely is optimized, not in the sense of covering the topic comprehensively enough that Google's algorithm recognizes it as the best answer. Start by having Claude Code analyze the top ranking pages for your target keyword. Say, research what topic sections and questions are, relevant, and get those for yourself. Now, build a content refresh calendar using Claude Code, have it analyze your content library, and work along with it efficiently. Claude Code for SEO is going to combine technical analysis, content strategy, content creation, and optimization in a single workflow that is more efficient than any combination of traditional tools. Technical audits from crawl data, tint gap analysis from keyword experts, optimized article creation, existing content improvement, and structured data generation. All of these tasks become faster and more systematic with Claude Code. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.